Hey, what's up, Theta Network holder? So this is the live price prediction of Theta Network. But I have something very special information about Theta Network. As you can see, my brother, this time the Theta Network price will fails down minus 1.09%. The price is decreased. So this is, my friend, the main reason of this very bad fail is that especially short-term investors they are starting selling. So everybody knows this, my friends, to get short-term investor they are starting selling, so the coin will completely dumps down and they will give you a very bad reason. And the second is, my friend, absolutely going to be very important, and IBS section will give you guarantee, my brothers, to if you follow our instruction, what we need, what we tell you, if you do this, so I will give you guarantee to you will be never lost and you will be get every month very good profits. Now my brothers, Theta Network were fails down absolutely, my friend, as you can see here in those days, and I think no coin, my friend, were fails down in those days here now, because my brother every coin were moving completely off, my friend, in the last 10 days of every month, because my brother the short-term investors they are starting just in only investing, and definitely they were starting selling at the end of month. So therefore, my brother, I advise for all of you to please hold it, don't sell it. I will give you guarantee to an upcoming time, my friends. There is 100%, my friends, chance to they will give you a profit. So tell me why you will miss this opportunity to get a profit. I hope they will make you millionaire now. See you next time, my viewers, my subscriber. Please do this. I hope you will be also never lost now. Allah Hafiz, take care.